Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can fix your Snapchat camera on Samsung. So in order to fix your Snapchat camera on Samsung, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So basically, when you're unable to use your camera on Snapchat, then first thing what you can do is you can try checking for the permission. So for that, long press on your and go to the app info icon and then go to permission. So right on this page you need to make sure that you've allowed or enable camera. After that, you can just go ahead and open up your Snapchat and try checking whether the camera is working or not. However, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can also try restarting the Snapchat application. That is, try completely closing the Snapchat app and opening it up. So for that, you need to close it from the background, and apart from it, you can also long press on it and go to the app info icon, and then you can clear cache as well as clear your data. And once you've done that, you might be able to fix the issue all at once. Apart from it, you can also try checking for an update. Sometimes not updating your application might be another reason. So go ahead and open up your Play Store, and then on the search box type in Snapchat. So once you type in Snapchat, it's going to take you to the interface, which is going to look something like this. Here, if you see update, which means that the app needs to be updated, and after updating your application, this might be able to solve your issue. However, if nothing seems to be working out, then you can completely shut your device or restart your device, and you can also try reinstalling the Snapchat application. That might be able to solve your issue all at once. So in this way, you can fix your Snapchat camera on Samsung. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.